Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your kitchen setup with something powerful, reliable, and easy to use, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best portable induction cooktops, chosen for their power, safety features, portability, and overall value. Whether you're in an RV, a dorm, or just need extra space for holiday cooking, these units deliver. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started. We're starting with the Duxtop BT-200DZ, also known as the 9600 LS. It's a gold standard in the portable market for a reason. This unit packs 1800 watts and gives you 20 preset power levels along with 20 temperature settings, ranging from 100 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. The digital LCD sensor touch panel is very responsive and includes a child safety lock to prevent accidental setting changes once your meal is underway. It's built for efficiency, hitting about 83%, which is way better than your standard gas or electric stove. The benefit here is pure precision for daily tasks. You've got a 10-hour timer and a dedicated fast boil button that gets water moving immediately. It's lightweight and has a slim profile, making it easy to stash in a drawer when you're done. But don't expect it to be completely silent. It can produce a high-pitched hum depending on your cookware quality. And while the heating surface is solid, very large 12-inch pans might see some uneven heating at the outer edges. It's a reliable, mid-range workhorse that simply works.
Next up is the NuWave 3070-702 Pro Chef. This isn't your average dorm room hot plate. It's NSF certified and built with professional-grade materials. It's designed to handle the heavy abuse of a commercial kitchen, featuring a large 8-inch heating coil and a shatterproof ceramic glass surface. You're getting 94 precise temperature settings ranging from a low 100 degrees for delicate chocolate work up to a massive 575 degrees for searing thick steaks with serious grill marks. It feels sturdy and looks clean. We like this one because of the on-the-fly adjustments. You don't have to restart the cooking cycle to change the heat or the timer. It's incredibly efficient, transferring nearly 90% of its electromagnetic energy directly to the pan. While it's slightly bulkier than budget-friendly options, that extra weight translates to better stability on your counter. The touch controls are very sensitive, which requires a light hand, but the construction is undeniable. If you're a serious home cook who needs high heat and a rugged frame that won't crack under pressure, this is the premium option to buy right now. The NuWave Induction Titanium is all about tech-driven accuracy. It uses patented linear T technology to ensure the temperature stays constant instead of cycling power on and off aggressively. It packs 1800 watts but features a smart wattage control that lets you toggle between 700, 900, and 1800 watts. This is a lifesaver if you're cooking in an RV or an older house with limited electrical capacity. It also comes with a digital temperature probe that plugs into the unit, letting you cook based on the internal temp of your food. It features 106 pre-programmed temperatures and 46 memory slots for your most frequent recipes. The 8-inch coil provides a wider heating area than most competitors, which helps prevent those annoying hot spots in the center of your pan. It's fast, preheating in about 30 seconds for a quick sauté. The interface can be a bit busy for beginners, and the programming takes a minute to learn, but the level of control is top tier. If you do a lot of deep frying or precision roasting, the included probe makes this the smartest choice.
If you prefer a more industrial feel, the ChangBERT CIB80 Plus is a beast. It uses physical, tactile buttons that provide a solid click, which is great if you're cooking with wet hands or gloves. This is a commercial-grade unit with a stainless steel body and an upgraded control board featuring dual IGBT for stable, high-power output. It offers 18 preset temperature settings and 9 power levels. One of its best features is the one-click max power button, which jumps straight to 1800 watts for instant boiling. It's surprisingly quiet compared to other professional units. The fan is a low hum that doesn't distract from conversation. The 8-inch magnetic coil ensures even heat distribution across larger pots, and it's rated to hold up to 100 pounds without deforming. It's got a massive 12-hour timer, making it perfect for long simmers or slow-cooked stews. While it's a bit heavier and looks more like restaurant equipment, the durability is excellent. It's built for constant use and doesn't suffer from the overheating issues found in cheaper plastic models.
Finally, we have the Cooktao HLCC05. This is another stainless steel heavyweight that focuses on pure structural strength. Unlike most portable units that use plastic on the bottom, this one has a galvanized steel base. It's built to support up to 55 pounds, making it the perfect pick for heavy stock pots or home canning. It offers 18 wattage levels and 20 temperature settings. It also includes a hot warning indicator that stays on after you turn the unit off, which is an essential safety feature for busy kitchens. The push-button controls are straightforward and avoid the glitchiness found in some touch panels. It's very efficient, hitting around 90% thermal efficiency, which means your kitchen stays cooler while you cook. It's a bit larger than your average portable burner, but the extra surface area gives you much better stability for wide pans. We found it's a favorite for professional truckers and RV owners because of the thick gauge power cord and rugged housing. It lacks fancy memory settings, but it wins on pure toughness and reliability. And that wraps up the top 5 best portable induction cooktops. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech reviews and picks. All the products we mentioned today are linked in the description below for your convenience. Thanks for watching. We hope you found the perfect cooktop for your needs, and we'll see you in the next one.